Yeah, still not done. This thing has been a real pain in the ass. Really has been. The instructions I've looked. I didn't do my research proper before I ordered it, and supposedly this is one of the more complicated, more involved DIY 3D printers that I could have bought. So I've been taking it extremely slow, assembling it, cutting myself breaks. Leave it right here on the kitchen floor. Fuck it. Eventually it'll come together. It's just about 99% done. You know, I got attached to the hot plate and all the tools I had to acquire to help get this thing done. The main thing that irritates me is that it's in the middle of my kitchen floor, and I want to get it out there. So it's kind of burdensome. There's the box. I've been lazy. I've been ordering rocket stuff, so I know what I could design around for other projects. Here's some pulleys. Come on, man. Always with the focus. Always with the focus. Why can't? There it is. Yeah, so going for simpler. My earlier pulley designs were pretty complex and just time consuming. So the best solution is usually the simplest solution. This is an impeller, my first impeller I've designed for water. Now, I'm sure y'all hear a fan running in the background. Just a minute ago, I was having fun over here testing an impeller made for water through air. So if I got a fan that a centrifugal fan is more concerned with moving, I don't know how to. The impeller inside of it isn't moving very fast, but the air that comes out of it is more like coming from a pump than a fan. So, with that being said, an impeller that is made to act more like a pump underwater than a fan, kinda. This is a jet boat impeller. It should, in theory, work with this fan fairly well. So, I had to see for myself. My nails, they've been needing filing, so getting the chance to file my nails. I'm a pretty boy. I need pretty nails. Woo-wee. I don't know what kind of RPMs that is, but it sounds. Let's see if I can get something rubbing, not to break it, but. Oh, no. Alright. Let's stop that. And then if I tilt it like this, usually it flies off. It's a little bit stuck here on the end. I made this hole to accommodate this shaft. And of course, when I glue it, I'll have to file down the shaft a little bit. And then maybe sand down the inner bore a little bit. This is not very clean. This impeller's not very clean. That was my first go. My first design of this type. So, as always, there's plenty to be learned. Sometimes it's just fun to play around with this stuff, Alright, so an air does that. I guess since we're not using it anymore, I'll go ahead and turn it off. in water. Very low pressure water. Let's see how it does in very low pressure water. Oh no. Yeah, I can. I was thinking I can't use that shaft, but I can use this one. It's got plastic pulleys on it, but plastic. If I spin it around, it might do better. 1 second. Alright, and then obviously if I have it up high, it ain't gonna spin. It's not gonna have a lot of energy because the water's falling. But the lower I go, the faster it spins. Just due to pressure variance and the height of the water falling onto it. Yeah. Even from an angle, it does all right. If I put it dead center, it's not very efficient because that part of the impeller is not really very important. It's this part right here. And obviously, if it's got a shroud around it, which I've designed this impeller for a shroud, it's a jet boat, or it's a jet pump, I suppose. So I'm developing a jet pump, and I don't know if I'll attach it to that coaxial gearing. Probably starting off, maybe I'll just do something simpler, like a jet boat, spring-powered jet boat. Then I'll work off of that and perhaps make something a little bit more complicated. Then, of course, I want to do my model rockets, and design model rockets I could print off and perhaps sell on Etsy. This is the process. I've got other ideas, ways to make money that I'm also working on, but this is YouTube territory, so this is for you all. As always, hope you enjoyed. If you're crazy enough to want to like and subscribe and watch this mess come together, whatever it is, then go ahead and do it. If you have better things to do with your time, which a lot of y'all do, then keep on trucking. Have a good day.